Okay, this is me and my family, JC, Tess, and Carmel. We are on the nature trail. You can see, and we're going back to the nature center after walking 5 miles. And when since we're gonna be going back to nature center, I will still record this so that way you can see all the stuff inside, even though you've probably been here. But just to give you a nice everyday look of what's inside, if you watch my channel, you go ahead and watch it every day if you would like, so you can always see what's in the nature center. And we're almost there. I believe it's like 10-15 more minutes until we get there. Maybe possibly 5. Right now we're on what's the thing called? This trail. Huh? This trail. Okay. We're on the trail right now, and okay. The name of the trail is Bee Run. That's what we're on right now. Bee Run's gonna take us to the nature center. We're almost there, I believe. This will take us to actually Cardinal Run, and that should take us to nature center. Then you can see all the stuff inside, and while we are going to nature center, I thought I would go ahead and take a beautiful video of all the beautiful stuff in here. And yes, you know who this is, JC Kang, on my channel. Oh yeah, when we are done at the nature center, make sure to subscribe. We need to have a little stop for a minute. Yeah, we're on we're on Bee Tree right now, about to be at the nature center in like 5 more minutes or something like that. I don't know. I actually don't know, but assuming that
we're at listening point. Tell them
we're
let's take a few seconds and listen.
Well, right now we are just going to listen for a minute, so it might be a little quiet in here because we're at a listening point. And let's go ahead and listen and see if we can find some birds coming over or some squirrels. Okay, listening now. My dad, Tess, she loves to pose. You can see nothing's really showing up right now. Nothing is chirping, no birds, no squirrels running around. All right, now we're on the walk again to the nature center right over here. Hopefully, I think, I don't know. And Bee Tree is right up here, and the nature center is right over here, the opposite direction to the left. But so we're actually gonna go on Cardinal Trail, and then that's gonna take us to the nature center. It's gonna take us to the nature center while we're on Cardinal Trail. It shouldn't be too long. Then you can go ahead and see the beautiful nature center. What's inside of it? So on these stairs that keep on going down. Okay, we're down, and they're still on the stairs. And we're going on some more stairs. Right up here, stairs. And please subscribe after this video so I can have some more subscribers. My point is to get to at least 1,515. That is my point, to see if I can get that many subscribers. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, now you can see all the white stuff on the moss of the wood on the tree that just got cut down. Not just now, but a little bit ago. We're not going to be stopping, but, well, if you guys would like to, we can stop, but I don't feel like doing it. I just stopped in it, so basically we did stop. Okay, so on our way to the Cardinal, not Cardinal, whatever thing. We're on our way to Nature Center. Jumping over all of these steps because I don't want to step over them. And the Nature Center is right there. Huh? Oh, yeah. And this is where we started when we went up, which I wasn't taking a video of. And then we just went in a huge circle. And now we're all heading on our way back to the Nature Center. Should be at least 3 minutes or so. 5 minutes or so. Something like that. Something around 1 to 5. You can hear some birds chirping. Right there, you just heard a You can hear those birds really chirping. Right over here is the Nature Center. Just gotta go down this path, and then we'll be at the Nature Center. Almost there. If you would like, we can stop for a minute. No? Okay. I guess we're not going to stop, actually. We're just going to keep on walking till we're there. And Nature Center is right over here. So this is where we started. So we just got off of the trail, and then we started at Valley Trail, which is the main trail. And now you guys can see a little river, stream, that used to be on. And then this is what it comes out of. And on our way, you can see it's just right up here. So, yeah. Here's another stream that was going on probably a couple days ago. That's why it's so dried out. As you can see, you can kind of see some patterns in there. Uh-oh. Just stepped in that big pile of mud. Which is okay, though, because I'm wearing my old tennis shoes and not my new ones. I mean, I would still wear them, just I like wearing my new ones. They're better than my old ones. My old ones just for walks like this, like stepping in mud and stuff. Yeah. We're right up here. Those red trucks are red vans, I should say. Let me get my voice right. And there used to be some wild turkeys over here, but they're not here yet. The big building, we're about to be over into the nature trail right over here. Nature center right up here. The big school, I'm guessing. Well, maybe school, maybe apartment, maybe church. We don't know, but yep, could be anything like that. So. Oh, the nature center is actually right up here.
That's pretty new within the last 5 years.
Can you see it? Nature center is right up here.
I don't know if I ever came here before. That was it. I think I've always been up.
Just kind of running up. Yep, here. Right up here is the nature center. And to prove it's me, face to face. So just to prove that I'm actually taking the video and no one's trying to steal my videos, there was just a bird eating in there. Here's some bird seed and stuff. Right by the side. We're about to go in. Which is inside. Okay, we'll be inside now. Bye.